How do bread snack producers cut bread? Into cubes. Into sticks. Into long slices and bars. And into thin plates. For this, the bread cutting machine MNH01 NOTIS is used. Designed by engineers of our company NOTIS, based in Novosibirsk, Russia. In this video, we'll show tests of bread cutters for some recent customers with different cutting formats. Kirov, Penza, Kostroma, Tula, Voronezh, Krasnodar. These Russian cities are just a part of our clients over the last year. Since 2014, we've built over 100 machines. They're used by 50 bread snack producers across Russia and nearby countries. Several major brands have already purchased 5 or more machines each. Let's see how it works. Loaves are loaded into the magazine. The automation tracks the bread supply and feeds loaves into the cutting unit. First, sharp blades slice the bread. Then they cut it down to bars of the required size. Blades with Teflon coating and laser hardening require no sharpening. "30 seconds and 5 loaves have turned into thin sticks. A clean cut and minimum crumbs. To switch to a different format, just swap the blade cassettes. And here's another machine, built for a customer in Krasnodar. The required cut here, large 22mm cubes. The customer is specially stressed, supply volumes will be high. And MNH01 NOTIS is engineered exactly for such tasks. Every unit withstands round-the-clock operation, day after day, year after year. The next machine, for a bakery in the Kirov region. By the way, notice, the loaves have been pre-trimmed. The thing is, every producer has their own recipes and their own baking molds. There's no standard. Parameters can vary widely. That's why we coordinate the bread dimensions. If a client doesn't send their own loaves for the final test, we pick some up at the nearest supermarket and adjust the size. The modern MNH01 handles small variations in loaf height with ease. The next order is from Voronezh. A curious fact, in Voronezh, 4 bread snack producers already use MNH01 cutters from the Siberian company NOTIS. This customer has already acquired a whole fleet of our machines. Their bread snacks can be found in cities all across the country. And again, regular store bread on the test bench. Bread snack producers use a completely different recipe. Dense, pre-dried crumb. Store bread is soft, moist, with large pores. But every machine we build must be tested, and crumbs on this kind of bread are forgivable. A customer from Kostroma asked for long, thin bars. The cutting format is mainly the customer's choice. Together, we work out the layout so the loaf is used optimally, with no waste. The main enemy of such a machine, vibration. Look at how fast the blades slice the bread lengthwise and crosswise. 10 loaves every minute, hour after hour, day after day. Strong vibration ruins electronics, breaks down mechanisms. But the NOTIS engineers have solved this challenge. The machine runs for years without failures. We see it from repeat purchases and from spare parts orders. For example, a couple of months ago, we received an order for blade cassettes for a machine that's already 10 years old. And this bread cutter is heading to Tula. The customer arranged it through Leasing. We support this option too. Leasing companies know our equipment well. Paperwork goes through quickly. Want to discuss equipment for your bread? Visit notice.ru. Thank you.